everyone, I'm Green-Eyed Guide. I'm food scientist, biochemist, bodybuilder, energy drink expert, and author of Are You a Monster or Rockstar? A Guide to Energy Drinks, How They Work, Why They Work, How to Use Them Safely. And this is Gjalla, my little bulldog. So today we're doing a real quick review of this drink right here, which shall remain nameless because I don't want to get in trouble. I wrote them for permission to do a review and I haven't heard anything back yet, so we'll just not say their name. Anyways, so I want to talk about who this is for. So if you really miss the taste of Sunny D, or maybe if you're old enough, Tang, then this is probably the drink for you. It's got 150 milligrams of caffeine per can. Granted, one serving is half a can, so technically you're only supposed to drink half of it, and please only drink half of it. But it's got 150 milligrams of caffeine per can. So if you like the taste of Sunny D, if you can handle 150 milligrams per can, if you like the fact that it has 0 sugars and 0, it doesn't use any saccharin, it doesn't use any aspartame, it does have the sugar alcohol erythritol, and it does have ACE-K or asulfame potassium, but those are the only 2 sweeteners that it has. So if you like that, and if you also like the fact that it has natural flavors, although it does have artificial colors, if those are the kinds of things that you're okay eating or drinking, then this might be the drink for you. So we've talked about who this might be for. Let's talk about what's in it. So it has 100% of vitamins B3, which is niacin, vitamin B6, which is just B6, and vitamin B12. Did you know that niacin participates in over 200 reactions in the body? And most of those have to do with generating ATP, which is the chemical form of energy, which Gjalla is usually lacking. Hi, baby. But niacin is also part of the first reaction that breaks down alcohol. It helps alcohol dehydrogenase break ethanol into acetaldehyde, but no one cares about that. So moving on. So this drink also contains ginseng, but not enough to do anything. So moving on. Okay. So we talked about who it's for, we talked about what's in it. Let's talk about when you would want to drink this. So remember, it has 150 milligrams of caffeine per can. So if you drink the full can, you want to make sure that you're at least at a fatigue level 3. So based on my 5 levels of fatigue, where level 1 is you're tired because you're dehydrated, level 5 is you're so tired that only sleep can save you. So in between level 1 and level 5, you should match your caffeine that you intake with how tired you are. So if you have the whole can, you should be a fatigue level 3. If you only drink half the can, which I recommend, then you're looking at about 75 milligrams. So that is less than a Red Bull. If you drink the full can, that is 100 milligrams less than a full can of Rockstar. So if a whole can of Rockstar is too strong for you, then this drink is probably more your limit. But there's about 90 milligrams in Red Bull and about 90 milligrams in a Starbucks tall mocha. So just think about how much caffeine you respond well to and how tired you really are. And that's about what you need to think about when you're figuring out if this drink is right for you. So remember, half a serving is 75 milligrams, less than a Red Bull. A full can is more than a Red Bull, more than a tall mocha, but less than a full can of Rockstar. So just keep that in mind. You don't want to reach for the strongest energy drink when you're just a little bit tired, because then when you're really, really, really legitimately tired, the strong ones won't work for you because you'll be too used to it. So just keep that in mind. This has been another quick-ish review. I'm GreenEyedGuide. This is Gjalla. Subscribe for more quick reviews, and find me on Twitter and Instagram. I'm at GreenEyedGuide, and let me know what I should review next. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful night.